Welcome to Bambridge Medical Art. Today I'll teach you how to treat for cough without medicine. Like anything else, when you have a cough, you need to find the cause of the cough. When you limit it and get rid of the cause, your cough can be healed without medicine. Well, the main cause of the cough is the virus infection, or you can say having a cold or having a flu is most popular. So if you maintain a good immune ability, then the chance of catching cold or have symptom of having cold will be reduced. When you have a strong immune immune system, then you will not have, even if you catch the virus, you will not have any symptom or have very minimum symptom. You may not even have a cough. So how to maintain a good immune system then? Well, dress warm, eat good balanced diet, have regular good exercise, have good quality sleep, and have a good mood and manage stress well. It can maintain good immune system. It can prevent you from catching a cold or having a flu. It can prevent having a cough. If you already have a cough, you need to work extra to keep yourself dress warm and rest more and manage your stress well. That way can help you heal faster. The second main cause of the coughing, the partial chronic cough, is allergy. When you have allergy, has postnasal drainage. The draining can irritate your windpipe, cause cough. When you have allergy, the most important is to find what you're allergic to and stay away from the plant or something you're allergic to. So if you move to a different area, you may get away from the thing you're allergic to. Then your cough can be healed without the treatment. So another main cause of cough is snoring. When you are snoring, it can most likely breathe through your mouth. The mouth is do not have the function of the nose. It could not filter the air, could not moisture the air, could not warm the air. So when you breathe through the mouth, it can irritate the dry air. The dusty air can irritate your windpipe, cause coughing. So if you have snoring, you need to see a doctor and look at your snore treated. And also you can do it yourself, is change different position. So it may limit your snoring. And also you can see a doctor, get a sleep apnea test, get a CPAP machine, and that way can limit your snoring. If you have chronic cough, limit your snoring and treat for your snoring, it may help you to heal your cough. Another main cause of the cough is the chemical irritation. You may not be allergic to chemical, but the chemical can cause and irritate your windpipe, cause your cough. For example, the cooking, or new house, or new furniture, or the cleaning product in your house. Especially when your whole family have a cough, everyone coughing, feel irritated in windpipe, you need to figure out the air. It can be the one cause of your cough. So open the window, change fresh air. The less smell in air, the better. It can help you. If you clean the air, it may help you heal your cough. Is that what causes your cough? Also, the acid reflux can cause cough as well. If you have chronic cough, you also have acid reflux. You need to see your doctor, get your acid reflux under control, because the acid come up to your throat can inhale in your bronchial or in your lung. It can cause other damage of your lung and windpipe. It can cause cough. Well, another, it's the main cause of the cough, or cause the cough, or prevent the cough from healing is cough. When you have a cough, if you cough, the louder you cough, the more you cough, the more irritation to your bronchial. If you cough hard enough, it can even damage your lung, cause pneumonia. Just think about it. When people have a cough, they cough so hard, you can shake your head, cause headache, shake your belly, cause muscle ache, hobble your poor little very tender windpipe and the lung. It can be shaken, it can be damaged. It can damage your lung, lower your immune ability of your lung, and eventually cause pneumonia. So some people think when you have a cough, they need to cough hard. They need to clear this stuff out. That way they can heal. But that idea is not right, because when cough actually itself can irritate bronchial and can prevent from healing. So if you have a cough, you need to cough gentle as it can be. You can just, if you feel irritated, you can just try to use that to clear throat instead of coughing. Also, you can use some herbs, or some, like even hot water with ginger, with honey, or even oil. Okay, or you can use codeine or cough drop. Anything you can do to calm down your cough. The less you cough, the faster you will heal. Another thing can cause cough is talking too loud and too long. Well, some professions require to talk a lot. The louder you talk, the longer you cough, the more chance to have cough. Especially when someone have chronic cough, the talking can be one of the cause. The louder you cough, the longer you talk, the more irritated to your windpipe. It can cause your cough and prevent from healing. If you are doing a professional talk, you need to use the microphone. You talk gentle. Also, after work, you should avoid having a habit of talk or sing, because all these can irritate your bronchial, cause cough. Well, there are lots of other things can cause cough as well.